We're trying to find where nitro gloves are. So apparently I did not order the right nitro gloves. We have a whole box of mediums out there, which I sometimes use in winter just because I like tight gloves and my hands aren't all sweaty or anything in wintertime. But large size helps a lot better. Like they're not always wanting to keep your fingers straight. So long story short, I'm looking up ordering some large nitro gloves. So I ordered nitrile instead of latex because I don't really know. But nitrile, I feel like from the times I ordered latex, they break down a lot more for automotive fluids, and like they start to get like the fingertips expand, they tear easier, I think. But mainly just nitrile can hold up to more abuse, I think. I'm not sure. Jose, I'm gonna give you some purple gloves. They say blue, so I don't know. I like gray and I like black, but I hate blue because they just look like you're going to the doctor's office. The Forester, Jose just got the steering column hooked up, so it's really close to done. But he tried beating it up and messed up his finger.
Oh, not much.
No, he didn't. He said just the tip. All right, so this here tool. Shh, Jose, I'm recording. I'm joking, Jose. So this here tool is a paintless dent repair. Crap, I forget. Induction dent repair or something like that. So it pretty much uses heat and a magnet within this to then you like just kind of put it over this is plastic, but you're putting it over there and then it heats it up really fast and uses the magnet to pull. So just kind of like a little, I think you do it in like for like a half-second interval per small dent. So if we can figure out how to get this plugged into one of these outlets or go to Lowe's and get an outlet, then we can test this thing out on that Mazda. And that's why I can't use it yet, because I don't have any outlet like that in this shop.
Oh, you saw it, right?
All right, guys, so now I'm working on the hail damaged Mazda 3 from Colorado. I'm gonna detail the interior some more because there is a little bit more glass left in there. And then fix these dents once I get a plug for that. And then, no indent. Okay, yep, and really no indent, and then it's sold. So nice. I actually have hot water here at the shop. No, this side. That side has cold water. This one has got hot. So this is just getting a really quick interior detail. Doesn't need shampooing or anything. And then that will be everything for at least the interior. The exterior needs some TLC. Tenderloin care. All right, so I just saw Brad pull up. He just got a Z4, Z3. I don't know. I'm not really a European car person, but he got a convertible two-door BMW, and he deleted the muffler on it. Going to scan his car for check engine light, and then we'll see if we can instigate him to do something. So Brad's a family friend. Young. I think he's like 19. But Yeah, we met through our church. Okay. He loves it, and the check engine light's gonna come right back on, I know it for sure. He can't not drive without the pops. What Jimmy John's? All right, so Brad, you're that far away and you're still tall. All right, so Brad's Z4 out there has a O2 sensor code. So I'm looking up pricing on O2 sensors to see the cheapest one I could get that will get his problem fixed. He got the muffler cut off and like a just straight pipe section. So there's no muffler on his car. And because Brad likes the pops. So yeah, just looking up pricing on that right now, and then when that comes in, then you'll see Brad's car again for the install section of it. But for the meantime, let's see some sick shots of Brad's car. Package delivery. Yep, have a good one. Don't know what I got, but there's more packages everywhere around here. Gotta unbox them. Okay, so Jose, you gotta share the news with him. Jose just came back from lunch, well, getting his lunch, and he came with great, like the first thing he said when he came in the door is, hey, I got something cool to tell you, or something of that sort. So Jose, tell him what you found.
Yeah, I found the GTR bumper is rebuilt, but it's kind of brand new. It's good repair.
I still have the GTR bumper. Oh, wait. All right, so right now we are headed over to the Bumper Wonderland that Jose talked about. Do you know the name of the place, Jose? BumperLand. Great for
Salt Lake Chrome.
Yep, Salt Lake Chrome, aka BumperLand, yeah. To look at the GTR bumper. All right, guys. So right now we are taking a family trip to BumperLand. Jose's enjoying his time back there.
Oh, I can't fit that. Yeah.
Jose, how do you feel?
I feel squishy.
Squishy. He likes being squishy.
To the right.
You know what this reminded me of? Greg, I know you're watching this video. Remember back in high school where you put me in the freaking seat where Jose is, and Suzanne got a ride in the front? Yeah, that was great.
Right here.
Turn left?
Yeah, turn left.
GTR bumper or something? So how do you know about Alright, we gotta go somewhere else now.
Okay, so we've been walking around for like 5 minutes so far. But Jose finally found someone who he can speak Spanish to and figure out what we're doing and where we're going. Doesn't Jose look like he's in like middle school, walking with his friend? Yeah, it looks like a 350 or 370 bumper. Might be a 370Z. Oh, there's one. Yeah, because this looks like a 370Z. Well, at least I know you have a 370Z bumper now.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Do you want to take my number down or you want me to call back?
Cool.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I really hope he can find it. All right, so no luck with that, and no idea. Oh, I'm going this way. All right, so BumperLand was freaking awesome. If you guys can guess how many bumpers they had there, you get a shrimp slushie. It was crazy, like, to see how many of each bumper they had, and they were each like they had their little tags on them, so they knew the location and everything. But I drive by that place every morning coming to work, and I didn't realize it was that big and that many bumpers. Like, you could just see the corner of it as you drive by. They couldn't find the GTR bumper, obviously, when you have that many bumpers, but they said they'll keep looking and go from there. Okay, back from BumperLand. How was your time at BumperLand, Jose?
That was good.
All right, I got this new shop toy upgrade from my small clutch gun that I normally use, but slowly but surely getting more tools. It'll definitely help speed stuff up.